It's too rain now. So I think the water is there. This is my house, not finished. Needs a lot of budget. So it's rain too much rain. It's yee. There is it's rain here. Someone's make it here. Someone's make it here. Tara si Inday ah. Nidagan si Inday dito. It's rain.
Guys! Dali ko gawan!
Guys, bumbasad yaday bumbasad. Guys, si Inday nagbumbak. This is my simply life in Philippines. Simply life in Philippines, raining. See, look. Surrounding is a lot of green grass our home. Nagkuha na Inday, uy. Nabasa na ko Inday, uy. So, this is the house. This is the house. This is my surrounding in my house. A lot of water, guys. Ato, na manok, luoy kay manok. Woo! See, look, in Philippines, very nice. There is a lot of kamuti and manok is raining. Manok is running. Nabasaan ako Inday. Ay, mama, Mia. Okay. Rain, go away. Ito, naligo. Si Inday naligo. Ay, Diyos ko Lord. Rain, go away. Come to me, it's another day. Ligo, rabi dire. Patak sa ulan. Pumapatak ang ulan. Hoy! Dali mo dire, oy! Dali mo, kabitsuhan ta mo, dali. Dali mo mga okoy. Come here. Hoy, dali. Dance. Sayo dir dong. Sayo dong. Nidagan. Dali pa diri. Ha? Sayo ba? Nang logot he is scratching her body. Tara usa. Agoy, si Inday. Perti na basaan ako, day. Oh, ba sayo ta paro ji WhatsApp. Anak ko dira. Sige, day. Sayo, day, paro ji.
Hi, butterfly!
Uwan gid kayo, uwan. Huwat sa day kay ako ni ikuan day kay manayo ta paro gid day, huwat sa day. Oh my gosh. It's Ay. Agoy, ma-receive si Inday. Yala. Ay, Diyos ko Lord. Panginoon. Mo ito'y life na mo diri.